This is the aftermath of Hurricane Matthew. As you can see, it's still raining, but it's not over with yet. But this is just, we got through the worst part of it. This is just horrible. This is aftermath. I was out there when it happened. I swear it was not pretty at all. The rain was pelting me. A tree snapped, right? A power line snapped too. And the school front entrance is basically destroyed. As you can see, it's still a little windy outside, but I'll show you the different views. Guys, my friend's house over there, his house, his whole fence is destroyed, so which is crazy enough. And I'll show you the outside view of the other place as you go. Okay, so we'll just go all the way over here. All the way right into the front. Say hi to Bella first. So, Bella. What? It's still really windy out here. I was mistaken. Our neighbor put plexiglass onto his thing. It's a good idea. But it is still crazy outside right now. There's my friend's house right there. And my other friend's house is over by there. But this is just crazy, guys. Like, his whole fence fell. And then all the way over there, this corner over there, his fence also fell. Look at this. Oh, I'm gonna rain on. This wind is crazy. Woo! This wind is absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. I think the gutters are overfilled. Woo! Oh, that was crazy. Oh, get inside. Oh, it is crazy out there. Oh. Actually, I think we're good. Should we make a run for it? I think we should make a run for it. He just locked me outside, but I'm pretty sure we should make a run for it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm probably gonna try and make it to my friend's house. But with this, I can't, probably. He left there. Oh my God, he left me out. It's super windy. The rain is pelting on me. Oh. He locked me out. It's still windy. Don't lock the door. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, over there is like the craziest part. I went over there. I got pelted with the rain. It hurt like crazy, but all good. But we're just...
You look like an idiot, Jake. Tyler,
what?
Get up underneath the umbrella. Do not get wet anymore.
Okay.
You go to Evans and then you go inside.
Okay. We're going with our friend's house right now. I'm doing okay right now. That's the umbrella. Oh, it's getting wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet right here. My shoes are going to get wet. Oh my God. I'll show you guys a view of the corner I was talking about. That was crazy. Sideways. Oh, it's strong. This wind is strong. That corner is absolutely crazy. There's a